Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by assembling and measuring ingredients for a 5-gallon all-grain batch. 6 pounds base malt, 1 lb specialty malt, 1 Oz hops, and 11 g yeast. Sanitize every vessel, spoon, and thermometer to avoid infection. Sanitation is non-negotiable. Heat 5 gallons of strike water to the mash-in temperature so the grain bed hits the target. Preheat the brew kettle and mash tun to reduce thermal loss. Prepare a hop schedule and note boil times. Have a wort chiller and fermentation vessel ready before lautering begins. Add crushed grain to the mash tun and stabilize at 152 degrees F for 60 minutes to achieve balanced fermentability. Stir to eliminate dough balls. After conversion, vorloff by recirculating the first quarts until clear, then lautering slowly to avoid channeling and grain compaction. Sparge with 170 degrees F water to rinse sugars until you reach the per-boil volume, typically 6 to 6. 5 gallons for a 5-gallon batch. Monitor gravity samples. A refractometer or hydrometer confirms conversion. Transfer the collected wort to the kettle and bring to a rolling boil. Boil the wort for 60 minutes following your hop schedule. Bittering hops at start, flavor hops at 20 minutes, aroma hops in the last 5 minutes. Chill the wort quickly with a wort chiller to 68 degrees F to prevent DMS and prepare for yeast. Cold break reduces haze. Transfer to a sanitized fermenter, aerate vigorously, and pitch 11 g of yeast. Ferment at 66-68 degrees F for 1 to 2 weeks until gravity is stable. For bottling, add 3/4 cup priming sugar to 5 gallons.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.